Hi, my name's Paul Bradford and welcome to CakeFlix. I started my business at the age of 21 and grew the business to having 35 staff and 7 outlets throughout Scotland. We have over 850 cake video tutorials to choose from, so there's something for everyone. We're very proud to have won the Cake Masters Best Learning Experience for the last 3 years in a row, and we've got lots of exciting new content to hopefully add to that. We publish a brand new feature-length video tutorial every week of the year, delivered by myself and 65 world-class tutors. We also have our amazing product uses and techniques sections, as well as world-class business tutorials. Pro members get access to 120 business tutorials taught by myself and David, with our professionals in photography, digital marketing, business coaching, accountancy fields, delivering invaluable information to help you in every way to success in business. After 10 years we sold the business so we could concentrate on teaching, but within that 10 years we made cakes for the Queen, Prince Charles, Prince Albert of Monaco, so I've got loads of stories to share along the way. So to finish off, I just want to share our biggest asset is our cake community. We have so many lovely people on there helping each other through their successes, their ups and downs, just everything to do with the cake. So I really hope you want to come along and be part of the CakeFlix family.